The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
Hey yo everybody, welcome back to the Oh My Mod channel. I am your host Oh, and today we're doing a little bleaching at home, but by ourselves. Look at my dusty ass golden hair. That needs to be lighter and brighter. Look at this chick. See her hair? That hair. I need to get there. This is the potential, but I'm aiming for that right there. I don't know. We'll see if we can get there. Let's give it a whirl. Alright, so we're gonna pop this bad boy open here. We're gonna pull out this giant bottle here. What is this? What is this? Oh, the creme developer. Is it creme or cream? You decide.
Creme.
Then we have the fortifying anti-brass conditioner for after bleaching. Next we have lightning cream. It will add some shock to your hair. Zap. And what's this? Oh, it's the bleaching powder in your face, Grandma. Don't snort it. Definitely don't snort it. And whoa. In case you have to have an exam of some sort. Let's get rid of that. Oh, what's this? Oh, instructions. Good for education. Alright, you've unpacked. You've read your instructions. You're good to go. Now glove up. Good job with those gloves. You're a champion. Alright, let's move on. Keep those gloves on the entire time, and now we're going to remove the flat cap from Creme Developer Bottle A. Next, you will shake the bleaching powder B to loosen contents. Then, you will, while using scissors, carefully open the bleaching powder B and pour it into the developer bottle A. Screw the flat cap onto developer bottle A and point the bottle away from your face and give it a good old maraca. Now locate that lightning cream. That's bottle C. You're gonna remove the cap, and using the pointed tip of its cap, you're gonna poke a little hole on the end.
Capture. Sehr gut.
Now add the contents, the lightning cream C, into bottle A. The developer bottle. Squeeze it in there, toothpaste style. Now stick your cap back on there and do your maraca thing again. Now for the proctology exam, stick your pointed tip on the bottle. Now if you got long hair, you'd want to start at the roots, but my hair's short enough that we're just go for it. piece of advice: when you're done, if you have leftover bleach in this bottle, take off this cap, put the flat cap back on, because that thing will turn into a freaking volcano after a little while, and you'll just have bleach everywhere. Another thing I like to do when I'm all done is I like to wipe down around the edges of my head. That way it reduces skin irritation around your hairline. Just a little tip I'll throw out there for you. Next, toss a plastic bag or a shower cap or something on the top of it. Bleach activates a lot faster and works harder when it's heated up, and the top of your head is a great heat source, so just bag it. Do like your gym teacher told you to do in high school. Bag it up.
No, seriously, everybody. Now, don't go getting soft on me this summer. You know, you're sitting around the pool all day, chasing the muff around.
Now, after 45 minutes of having a waste bag on the top of your head, you can take it off, because your hair's pretty bleached. Look at that! Yay! Now it's recommended that you only do this, don't do it twice. But I'm a rebel, so get on my level. Now, I didn't bag it the second time around. I left it in there for about 15 minutes. Brushed it in to make sure that I got way down to those roots, to make sure that they got enough oxygen, and yeah. Alright, now it's time to get in that shower and get this stuff out. Don't forget the bottle D.
Oh my god. That is a big fat D.
The fortifying anti-brass conditioner. You're gonna rinse it all out and slather some of that stuff in there. Make sure your head's nice and bleached. Look at that. We did it. Still kind of yellowy, a little yellowy. It will lighten up over the next couple of days, but I think we're gonna have to hit it with some toner. And yeah, maybe we'll do a video on the toner in the future. But this is the results of my bleaching at home, my DIY bleaching at home using Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color Blondes Maximum Lightening Cream. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions or if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Chickadee, chickadee, chow.